Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and the new setup. If you did not see my last video that I was sitting here, this is the new setup. But today I am actually like on a time crunch, need to get going, do things. So today's get ready with me is like a real get ready with me, not just a getting ready with me to do filming. I have a wake that I'm going to, and then I have errands to run after. So I'm doing very light makeup today. If this was a normal day, I would just be going to the gym and the comic book store and that's it. But I do have to be more presentable for sad reasons. But yeah, going to this is like the funeral was yesterday for luncheon. This is like the luncheon kind of thing. So, yeah, I was invited by the family, so I'm going. This is all going to be pretty light, not only because I'm on a time crunch, but I'm going to the gym after, so I don't have like I don't want to be caked up, you know? So I guess this is probably more of a like daily makeup routine. I'm using the NYX Blurring sunscreen primer face because it's a very sunny day. It's not incredibly warm by any means. I'm gonna put like a little sweater over this, but it is sunny, and today is one of those days that you can get burned very, very easily. So I am doing the SPF up. So we're gonna put that primer on. I'm not even doing eye makeup today. Like, that's how minimal this is gonna be. It's just, well, there's gonna be makeup on my eyes, but not like normal. So I'm gonna throw some concealer on my lids just because I was up late. I feel like I could just use a little bit of color correction all around. Then I'm gonna use my fingers to pat it in. Lighten everything up a bit. Like I said, after, you know, all the family stuff, I'm kind of, you know, solo for the day. So this can all technically come off before I go to the gym, but I don't feel like taking makeup remover. If I wasn't talking to the camera and having to worry about like clipping things and all of that, this would maybe take 10 minutes. Like, it's not a very long process. I'm just gonna set this with a little powder on the lid so it's not so stark light. And I'm just using a big fluffy brush and tapping into my powder foundation, just doing a very light wash over everything. Then I'm gonna do some tinted moisturizer. Again, more sunscreen. Probably more than I needed, but that's okay. We're gonna blend it all out with a brush. Make sure it's nice and even. This is the Laura Mercier that has like the SPF 30. So both of these has SPF in them. So I will be thoroughly protected from the sun. And by the way, in case anyone's like, oh, you're running late and you need but you're filming. No, I'm not running late. I gave myself plenty of time to do this. I just feel like I'm on a time crunch. So I'm moving with a purpose instead of my normal, you know, take my sweet time kind of thing. Because I hate being late. And if it's a difference between me having makeup on my face, which I do not wear every day, and being on time, I will not have makeup on my face. That's just a really easy thing for me, especially if other people are waiting on me. Like, no one's waiting on me today, but if other people are like meeting me at a certain place and I'm late, you can forget the makeup. I never let my makeup make me late. All right, I'm gonna set the brows with the Anastasia brow glue or brow freeze or whatever it is, just to hold them in place. I'm not even gonna powder my whole face, so I definitely want to make sure this is all blended, especially because I think I'm gonna put my hair up. Liner wise, I'm just going in with a brown liner, and I'm just gonna tight line. I'm not gonna go on the lid at all. Everything is gonna be underneath, just to give my lashes a little bit of a lift, make me look a little more awake. And then some waterproof mascara. If you get like I just did, like, do like I just did, I take the brush that I did my concealer with, and I just go back over it. And then you can blend it out with your finger. And yeah, I'll have to put more powder over it, but we're gonna let that mascara dry first. I created a nice highlight in the inner corner. Look at that. So maybe I won't powder it back down. I'll just kind of let it sit. It shouldn't be anywhere that creases. Gotta make both sides even now. And then I'm gonna throw on a little blush just for a little color in my cheeks. Not gonna highlight or anything. I'm just using a really light hand and a really light color. As long as this is blended, that's pretty much it. Like a little bit here to blend out any seams or lines. Around the forehead a little maybe. I'm just using a lip oil. This is the pink one from the Powder Puff Girls collection. That's it. I think that took me less than 20 minutes, and if I hadn't messed up my mascara, it would have taken even less time. So I'm going to throw my hair up and get my sweater on. I'll show you guys how it all looks together. Okay, here we are, like in my bathroom light, so a little bit more natural lighting. So this is it. This is my very quick, I need to get out the door, but still want to have something on my face look. It's pretty fresh. It's easy for summer, and it has SPF. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.